So here is having a look at Google Meet that is now integrated with Google Classroom, and to quickly show you how it works. So if I open up my classroom, and I'm using the Professional Learning Classroom today, if you go to the cog up here, there is an ability that to obtain an address. If you click on that, and then you can turn on the Google Meet classroom. Currently visible to students is that students cannot see or can see, dependent on, so that is, I presume, can see, and that is can't see, the address. So I have copied the address, and so then if I then copy that address into my URL, which you can't see, actually I need to save that. And if I put that address into my URL, it will create a new Meet. Here it is. So a few basic things about the Meet before you go in. You just want to make sure that your microphone is picking up your voice, and that they can see you. If you don't need to, you can turn off the camera if you want. You can turn off the microphone if you want, but you can do that stuff before you go in there. If I join the Meet, unfortunately the meeting is just by myself. I have turned the camera off. I can copy the joining info, so if I want to send that directly to people, or I could actually just add people. So for example, I could just add in my one Muzz music class for 2020, and they could get the invite and go in through there if they wanted to. Some of the cool things about this, that there is closed caption, so it has currently been turned on. And while I'm talking, it will hopefully get everything that I say. It seems to be pretty accurate at this moment, so that's pretty cool. And if I want to present my screen, I can do so. I can either go the entire screen, or I can go a window. So if I just go a window, and let's just say I just want to present the App Store, it's just telling me that it's just presenting the App Store, and what I do with it. So it could be any program that you have. And then if I want to then go back, and I can then just stop presenting, and then it will just bring it back to normal. Just like other things, there is the version of seeing who's online, who you can chat to, so you have that information there. And basically, overall, the closed caption is going pretty well. I'm pretty impressed with it. You can, and that is generally all I need to say about this. Yep. And so you can just hang up and go from there. All right. So hanging up, we'll ask you how you rate it, and then it will just do what you need to do. All right. There you go. Thank you very much. Mate wa.